In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booking.com Extranet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your bookings, how to update prices and availability, how to adjust your property details, and where to check payments and messages all in one place. Start by clicking Sign In on the Booking.com Extranet homepage. Make sure you're on the official site, then log in to access your property's control panel. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see the key sections that matter most: reservations for managing upcoming and past stays, calendar and rates and availability for day-by-day pricing and restrictions, property details for your photos, description and facilities, and finance for payouts and invoices. Think of this dashboard as your home base. To manage bookings, click Reservations. This page lets you view guest details so you can prepare for arrivals or reach out with important information. From here, you can confirm a reservation if needed, cancel according to your policies, or mark a no-show when a guest doesn't arrive. Always double-check dates and policies before making changes, and add notes so your team stays aligned. Next, let's set prices and availability. Go to Rates and Availability and open the calendar. Pick the dates you want to adjust and update the nightly prices, minimum stay requirements, and whether dates are open or closed for booking. This is especially helpful for seasonal rates or special events. After you make your changes, click Save. It's a small button, but it's crucial. Your updates won't go live until you save. Take a moment to skim a few weeks ahead to ensure everything looks consistent. If you need to update your property information, click Property. Here you can edit your photos, polish your description, and keep your facilities list accurate. Use clear, high-quality images, write a description that reflects what guests will actually experience, and make sure amenities like Wi-Fi, parking, or breakfast are correctly marked. When you're done, save your changes so they appear on your listing. For payments, head to Finance. This section shows your payouts and invoices. Review recent payouts to understand what's been sent to your account and open invoices to see any outstanding balances. Matching these with your internal records can help keep your accounts tidy. Finally, open inbox or messages to communicate with guests. Reply to inquiries promptly, use templates for quick, consistent answers, and check payment status when questions come up about charges. Clear, timely messaging improves guest satisfaction and reduces last-minute issues. That's it. With sign-in, dashboard navigation, bookings, rates and availability, property details, finance, and messaging, you're ready to use the Booking.com Extranet with confidence.